look at this. I'm going to go for a little walk and talk. I wish I should get one of them, what do they call them, with stabilizer thing, because I bounce too much. As the years go on, I found out the bouncing increases too. Hey, this is kind of a hello. I think I'm going to start doing little short clips like this to keep in touch with reality. I get pretty crummy about going out and walking and exercising. I'm very, very involved in graphics and computer right now. I have been for some time, but I'm doing a lot more with the graphics now. I've kind of got hung up on animation. I found a couple really good programs. You know what I ought to do really is back this up. I wander anyway. Back this up and say, you know, anywhere you are in life, you have to have things a goal, something you want to do, you know. And one problem with a lot of people as they get older, as we get older, is that goal seems to disappear. And you got to have a goal. You've got to have something you want to accomplish. And as soon as you don't have that, your desire to survive starts to diminish. My big escape, I think, or my goal-setting thing has been my computers and my programming. And I find a topic and I learn it. I learn it really, really well. And then go on to something else. And I picked up several computer languages and that and the reason is to have a goal.